Today's event is about education and technology. More specifically, it is about empowering the students of today to create the world of tomorrow.
I'm proud today to introduce you to Windows 10S. We've taken everything that teachers need and millions of people love about Windows 10 and created a new Windows experience that's ideal for all of our creative endeavors inside and out of the classroom. Windows 10S runs on the full range of Windows 10 hardware.
Hello humans, I'm Obad. Who is programming me today?
Now I mentioned every application that runs on Windows 10S is downloaded from the store. So what happens when a student tries to download something not from the store? If a teacher or administrator really wants to run that application from the store at any time, they can go to that Windows store and switch the device from Windows 10S to Windows 10 Pro, which would allow them to install that application. So here I have two devices, a Windows 10 Pro device, and over here we have comparable applications running on Windows 10S. And so I'm going to be a student logging into this device for the very first time. And you'll see that the Windows 10S device is going to log in for the very first time for this student in less than 15 seconds. This 10 Pro device will take 30, 40 seconds to log in. Now, if the student has been on this device before, every login after the first one on Windows 10S will be less than 5 seconds. School districts are getting new devices all the time. So what we've done is we've created a new application called Set Up My School PCs. What gets created is a USB key. You plug in the USB key, it's detected by Windows, and in less than 30 seconds, I'll be able to pull this USB key out of the device and move on to the next one. Now, the last step in our solution here is Intune for Education. And an administrator during the school year can go in and say, oh, in this classroom, the students at this high school, for example, let's turn off the camera in that classroom. Our partners, including Acer, Asus, Dell, Fujitsu, HP, Samsung, and Toshiba, offer a range of new education Windows 10 PCs for education today, starting at only $189. All of these new education devices will now come with a free 1-year subscription to Minecraft Education Edition. And we are making Windows 10S free for all schools on any of their current Windows Pro PCs. And that Office 365 for Education is also free for teachers and students worldwide. And today, Microsoft Intune for Education becomes broadly available for administrators worldwide. And all of it will be available this summer, ready for the new school year.
So in March, we launched Microsoft Teams, a chat-based workspace, as the newest addition to Office 365. And today, I'm proud to announce new classroom experiences as part of Microsoft Teams. And the magic happens in the conversation, and that's in the center. This provides a persistent, rich interaction between the teacher and the students. What's great is if a student misses a few days or joins mid-semester, they have all the recorded conversation and content that they need to have context.
It appears here that I have a couple of students who are already working on this right now. You can see it in real time. Now, I can go back to the conversation thread and provide feedback with an @mention.
Today, I'm proud to announce Code Builder for Minecraft Education Edition. Once we go inside Minecraft, you can start Code Builder just by typing /code. With that, you can connect to popular Learn-to-Code packages like Tinker and ScratchX from MIT, or you can even add your own service. If you're more experienced, you can even switch from blocks to JavaScript.
Paint 3D is free in Windows 10 and is one of the easiest ways to create in 3D. Move them into position, and because we're working in 3D, I can move back and forth in space. Coming this fall, adding 3D models to your slides in PowerPoint will be as easy as adding a 2D image.
I'm excited to announce a new feature coming to Windows 10 this fall that allows you to view 3D content through your screen. We call this new feature View Mixed Reality.
Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Nice. Let's capture this. Yeah.
Here's the good news. All of this can be done on any classroom Windows 10 PC that just has a simple RGB camera. Even a plugged-in webcam will work, and it's free. Now, Amy's going to be using one of these new affordable headsets to take us on a trip. Yep, we're going to explore space.
Zooming in, I can see how the planets will look when they're grouped closer together 500 years from now.
This is a Surface laptop. It feels amazingly thin and light, which is really important when it comes to a laptop like this. It's 2.76 pounds, it's under 14.5 millimeters. And with one finger, you can open the screen, which is super cool. And what you get is a 13.5-inch diagonal with a 3:2 aspect ratio. There's no rubber bumper, there's no plastic chin, there's no hinge that you can see. The screen itself is 3.4 million pixels. I'm gonna hit play, watch how this video will play. As it's playing, I'll put my pen to the screen to send the note to a team. And it results in this engineering effort that gets you to 14.5 hours of battery life on this product. The Surface laptop itself is lighter and thinner than any MacBook Air or MacBook Pro on the market right now. It's 50% faster than the MacBook Air, and when you compare the Core i7 Surface laptop to the Core i7 13.3-inch MacBook Pro, the Surface laptop is faster. I'll show you how the dial integrates into the Surface laptop really quick and give you some function of the product. So as I move left and I move right, you see that integration of the UI of Office. I'm gonna play some Chainsmokers. And as they're playing, I want to show you what happened. I haven't touched the dial yet, but now when I touch it, look how the dial was context aware and switched to the volume button. The Core i5 is starting at $999. We're pretty excited about it. The product is available for you to either pick up or be delivered on June 15th, so it's coming pretty quick. Go ahead and get your hands on one. Thank you. If you need an app that's not in the store, that's fine. You can just go and download Windows Pro and use any app you want.